Let's take a second and compare and contrast the triangular pyramid versus the prism. In a pyramid, notice how there is only one base. In this case, it is a triangle, but it could be a 4, 5, 6, etc. sided figure. There's only one base, and then the pyramid has a height as well. That is from the tip of that pyramid to the center of the base. The pyramid also has lateral faces, which are triangles that come to a point, in this case, point D. Now contrast that with the prism on the right side. Notice how the prism has not one, but two bases. In this case, they are both triangles. The bases will always be the same. Whatever there's two of in the prism represents the base, and the distance between those two bases is the height of the prism. So even though it looks like a horizontal segment, it does indeed represent the height of that prism. To calculate the volume of the prism, you would take the area of the base, which is the triangle, and multiply it by the height, which is that horizontal segment I just highlighted. Now, contrast that again with the volume of a pyramid, which is a different calculation. Still area of the base, which is again a triangle, but then you multiply by the height of the pyramid and divide by 3. Two different figures, two different calculations.